Hey yo guys, what's going on? Hope you're all doing well. Lee here with Led by the Unknown. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you're all staying safe. Deals are on right, left, and center. If you're looking for some great prices for cheap deals for this winter, at least, there's a bunch of subscriptions you can get into starting at like $1.99 a month, $1 a month. Depending on where you are, these prices may fluctuate. As you get Stars Stack, some local AMC, Super, Sportsnet, or ESPN will be on here. Guys, if you have, I hope you have, get one. Guys, get a Fire TV stick on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and you will be extremely thankful. Like, listen, get Prime Video set up, and it's almost the one-stop shop you need now. They're integrating a live TV, live sports right into the application. So if you have like an ESPN subscription or I'm in Canada, so a Sportsnet subscription, it gets all integrated right in there. All my local TV networks get integrated right in there. And majority of it is just under the Prime account. As you can tell, watch it again, movies, action, Canadian, historical, what was that? Mr. Bean Classic TV, up and coming sports. So if you're a hockey fan, a basketball fan, a football fan, football this Thursday is going to be crazy. I hope everybody is ready. And you don't need to really leave Prime. If you want other extra applications, sure. But if you get Prime, I had Paramount, I noticed was dirt cheap. So I was like, whatever. It's the winter time. I'm not going to, everyone's going to be inside a lot. So I decided to get Paramount added on to my Prime account, which I think was like $4 a month for 2 or 3 months or something. Like I said, this is the Canadian version. The US version obviously will be a lot different. So if you already have the Firestick, take a look to see what the subscriptions or see what might pickle your fancy type deal. You can also go into the store. This is all under the Prime app, not part of it. Is part of the Fire Stick, but it's a little separate outside of the Prime, outside of in the Prime account. As you can see, we got basketball, a bunch of basketball coming up, and it tells like we're pushing out to December for the dates here. November, December. And so this is like, I do have the Sportsnet application, so I can just click, boom, play, right? Ready to go. Deals on movies, deals on subscriptions, like I said, deals on rentals. Big old Blockbuster's gone, but we can still go and search the rentals. And then more Prime videos, our number 1 through 10. On what's available through Prime. Netflix has the same 1 through 10. Same as if you're in US or Canada. It's different 1 through 10s, but it's all there. As you can tell, a bunch of other new releases available to rent or buy. Great Christmas presents, guys. And again, the hockey game now. I'm sure there's an NFL one in here too. Military, war movies, featured movies, Explore, what was this? Masterpiece, Spirit North, historical, award-winning movies. If you guys are looking for something extra, something different, these aren't free. Some might be kind of free, but these are majority are subscription based. For $5 or $10 for a couple of months, I don't think it'll hurt very much. And you can always go back in the home, and up here, as you can tell, we have all movies, TV shows, and this will, even if you get Prime, if you get Paramount like I have it, it'll integrate it right into it. You kind of have to search around, but it's integrated inside of Prime. And then of course the sports. So Sports 1, WNBA. Yours will be obviously different if you're not in Canada. And then the top sports stories. What you can watch with the subscriptions. There's a bunch of stuff here. Future fights coming up. Get ready for your fights. That one's an old fight, but an old fight. Or reruns, I guess. So, thought it'd be a good idea to say hello. Happy Thanksgiving. Everyone stay safe this long weekend. Enjoy it, would you? Alright, cool. Peace.